Scientific study of Vedas, creation of universe, starting from Brahma. Class 10. In the last class, we have seen that Paramatma is the master plan based on which this universe is created. This master plan was formed based on the science or Vedas that was already existed in this universe. This Paramatma itself is a driving force. This science itself is a driving force. It is forcing materials to combine in such and such way to form other things. Likewise, this Paramatma as the master plan itself acts as a driving force for the creation of this universe. No other thing is required. This itself acts as a driving force to proceed the procedure. For example, it will force the starting point of creation. That is a force, that is a driving force derived from or came from Brahmanaspati or the Brahman itself. That is to be converted into the energy that is in the parascience. Then it is to be converted into fundamental particles and so on. Based on this science principle, these are planned in Paramatma. Paramatma is the master plan. In this, everything is programmed in this way. Now, we can see certain informations. We will get such information from Veda itself. There are a number of suttas related with the Paramatma. Now let us go through some of them. So first let us go through Rig Veda, Mandal 10, 4 of Sutta 125.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 125 4. ഋഷി ആംഭൃണി എന്ന മുനിപുത്രി. ദേവത പരമാത്മാവ്. ഛന്ദസ് തൃഷ്ടുപ്പ് ജഗതി. മയാസോ അന്നമത്തി യോ വിവശ്യതി യപ്രാണിതി യഈം ശൃണോത്യുക്തം അമന്ദവോ മാം ത ഉപക്ഷിയന്തി ശ്രുതിശ്രദ്ധിവൻ തേ വദാമി.
It says, we get pranan, that is given, or we are hearing something, or we are seeing something, we are eating something, etc. All of the such activities are related with the Paramatma. All our activities, what all things we are doing, what all things we are hearing, that is all the function that is taking place in our body is under the control of Paramatma. It is helping to function all these organs in our body. That is, nobody can overcome this. That we know. If there is a plan, everyone working under it should follow it. If there is a budget, we should follow that one. If there is a law, all will follow that law. We cannot overcome it. In the school, if there is a timetable and a syllabus, everyone involved in it should follow it. Likewise, here also, it is controlling through this Paramatma or master plan. So we must follow it. Now let us go to the next sutta, that is in Rigveda, Mandal 10, 5 of Sutta 125. Now let us see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 125 5. അഹം ഏവ സ്വയമിദൗ വദാമി ജുഷ്ടം ദേവേഭിരുദ മാനുഷേഭിഃ യങ്കാമയതേ തന്തമുഗ്രം കൃണോമി തം ബ്രഹ്മാണം തം ഋഷിൻ തം സുമേധാം.
It says, this Paramatma or master plan instruct all the human beings and even the gods. What all forces are there in this universe? All are functioning based on the instruction that is obtained from this Paramatma. That is, everyone, what all things there are in the universe, whether everything is God or Ishwar. As per Veda, everything is God. Ishwar is something else, but this Ishwar also follows these laws. So everyone is bound to act based on this law. So, due to which everyone attains his objective, because everyone is working based on this principle that is well cleared in this master plan or Paramatma. So anyone works with the support of Paramatma will attain his objective. Then such person will get the strength to do such things from Paramatma. So that is the driving force. It drives us to do the work. So we will get all sides, types of strength, mental power, knowledge, every type of knowledge, including arts and everything. If we want to use music in certain activities, we will get that quality also. Likewise, different persons are working in different fields. If anyone is working in the such fields in drama or anything like that, they will get that quality to act as a good actor or a singer or like that. So everyone will get its support from Paramatma, because everything is based on the plan that already exists in this universe, that is required for creation of this universe. Now let us go to the next sutta, Rigveda Mandal 10, Sutta 6 of 125.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 125 6. അഹം രുദ്രായ ധനുർ ആതനോമി ബ്രഹ്മദിഷേ ശരവേ ഹന്തവാ ഊ അഹം ജനായ സമദൻ കൃണോമ്യഹൻ ദ്വാവാ പൃഥ്വീം ആവിവേശാം.
If Indra take the sword to kill anyone who stands against this activity, or if anyone refuses to follow these instructions, then Paramatma is trying to sharpen his sword. That means Indra also get its power to attack his enemy who stands against these creation activities. Indra's power also depends on the power that obtains from this Paramatma. So Paramatma is acting through Indra also. What all things, powers he possesses, that is obtained from this Paramatma or master plan. Suppose we are working in a judiciary, the law is behind us. If we are functioning anything, if we are using our power in any administration, that power we are getting from the law that exists in that organization. Likewise, what all things Indra is doing, he gets his power from this master plan, that is Paramatma. Now, let us go to the next sutta, that is Rigveda 10, 8 of Sutta 125.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 125-8. അഹമേവ വാദ ഇവ പ്രവാമ്യരഭമാണ ഭുവനാനി വിശ്വ പരോദിവ പര യേന പൃഥ്വൈ താവതി മഹിന സംബഭൂവ.
It says, this Paramatma travels throughout the universe from the starting point of creation. It involves in all activities. It is moving like a winch from the starting point of creation. This Paramatma is moving throughout the universe and throughout the process. What all activities are taking place in the universe in connection with the creation, Paramatma is reaching there. So it is everywhere. That means there is a law, judicial law. We don't know where it is kept. It is not a book. Books are there in everywhere. But its presence is there in all the courts throughout India. Whether the book is there or not, throughout India, in the judiciary or in the court, things are going based on those laws. Whether the book is there or not, that is another factor. That means this plan, whether there is a budget, central government budget, it is applicable throughout India. Whether the book is in the hand, that budget is with us, that is not a matter. Whether it is with us or not, we are bound to pay the tax as per the budget. Likewise, this Paramatma is moving throughout the world, throughout the universe from the starting point of creation, and its presence is there everywhere, and it is also in our heart also. It is acting as a witness, but everything will go as per that schedule. Electron will combine together with proton, and it will form atom. Atom will combine with other atom to form molecules to and very complex structures. Then all the substances are formed. Then this solar system is formed, and likewise, it automatically that will go. because such things are written in the plan, Paramatma. That is the scientific approach of viewing this creation. This is there is modern management principle in it, there is science in it, and based on this creation is proceeding. In the same way, we are going to see the creation scientifically starting from this first driving force. That driving force will change into energy, then to electron and proton. That steps we are going to see in the coming classes. Now, let us go to another sukta from Yajurveda, 7 of Sukta 40.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 40 മന്ത്രം 7 ഋഷി ദീർഘതമ ദേവതാത്മ ഛന്ദഃ നൃജത് അനുഷ്ടുപ്പ് സ്വരഃ ഗാന്ധാരഃ യസ്മിൻ സർവാണി ഭൂതാനി ആത്മൈവാഭൂദ്വിജാനത തത്ര കോപ മോഹ കശോക ഏകത്വം അനുപശ്യതഃ.
It says, we and all the things in this universe are interconnected with this law. This things that is mentioned in the Paramatma, that driving force. We can call it as Ishwar also. All individuals in India are bound by the law, judicial law. We are bound together by this law. It is applicable to everyone. Nobody can escape from it. Likewise, everything in this universe, including ourselves, is under the control of this planning. So we are all acting based on this plan that is mentioned in the master plan or Paramatma. Then let us go to another Yajurveda Sukta, 19 of Sukta 37.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 37 മന്ത്രം 19 ഋഷി അഥർവണഃ ദേവത ഈശ്വരഃ ഛന്ദഃ വിരാട് ഉഷ്ണിക് സ്വരഃ ഋഷഭഃ ഹൃദേ ത്വാ മനസേ ത്വാ ദിവേ ത്വാ സൂര്യായ ത്വാ ഊർധ്വോ അധരം ദിവി ദേവേഷു ദേഹി.
This driving force or Ishwar or God knows every science that is there in the universe. Every science, 100% science, it knows 100% science that is there in the universe, and it gives us the required science, Nana, to us to do our duty. So, what all knowledges we require to do our duty, that also gets from this Paramatma. And based on this, we are doing our karma. So, we are under the influence of this Paramatma. From this, it is clear that it is like a budget or a law, court law, or like a plan that we are using to construct a building. Every activity, every construction activity will follow this plan. Likewise, all our activities what all things there are, whether it is God or human being or animal or non-living things, etc. All are under the control of this Paramatma. All are acting based on the instruction then obtained from that is mentioned in Paramatma. And that is the master plan. And that master plan is created based on this science that is available in this universe. For creating this universe, such a science laws are required. Based on scientific laws, creation is taking place, and for based on these scientific laws, a master plan is created, and based on that plan, all things are taking place in this universe for the creation of this universe. So Paramatma is the master plan of this universe.